Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. Today's video, I will be creating a design using the new MelodySusie gift box Fleurwee gel polish set. I did go ahead and receive the Urban Chic gift box. Thank you so much, MelodySusie. And this is part 2 of my unboxing. So if you do want to see part 1, where I do just unbox the gift set and just show you the products that come included in it, I will go ahead and leave that linked in the cards for you to go ahead and watch. And as you can see, I am using my short square full cover nail tips, and I did go ahead and prime and base coat them off camera. And I am going to go ahead and make some French tips, because as soon as I saw this pink and this white color from the gift box, I absolutely could not wait to go ahead and test them out to make some French tip nails. And I am going to go ahead and do my method, which I use to make French tips, and this is so easy. I really recommend you guys try this if you're struggling with your French tips like I do. I just go ahead and I paint the base color where the French tip the base is going to be, and then after that I will go ahead and cure for 30 seconds, and I am going to do 2 layers for all the nails. So I am going to cure for 30 seconds in between, and then I am going to go ahead and start the white French part. So I will come back here in a bit after you watch this process. Okay, here's how the nails look after I went ahead and applied 2 coats of the pink gel polish, and I did go ahead and cure for 30 seconds in between. And I do apologize, my camera was not recording when I went ahead and painted the French tip on the thumb, but I am just going to go ahead and take the long liner brush that comes in the gift box. Nail art brushes do come in this gift box. There's several of them in there. They give you a nice variety so that you can go ahead and create different nail art. So I do highly recommend that you pick up this MelodySusie Fleurwee gel polish gift set. This gel polish is plant-based. It's the first of its kind, and they do go ahead and use the scent of the flowers that they use to create this gel polish. They use that scent in each different bottle of gel polish, and they smell so pretty. I didn't like the black one. That's just my personal opinion. To me, it smelled like black licorice, but it's supposed to smell like black roses. I've never smelled black roses before, so I don't know, if that's really how it's supposed to smell, but I know each color has a different scent of the plant that they used. As far as the other ones, they do smell really good. They do smell, floral like. And these gel polishes do self-level very well, and they are just really smooth and nice to work with. And the white is so pigmented. I did just use 1 coat after I was done applying it to the French tips. I did go ahead and just use 1 coat, and then I cured for 60 seconds. So I highly recommend you go ahead and pick this gift set up if you have not already. And like I said, this is the Urban Chic gift box. There are 3 different kinds for you to choose from, and it gives you everything you need to create beautiful nail art. And if you, like I said, if you want to see everything that comes in the gift box, I will make sure to leave that video linked in the description box below. So I will go ahead and just finish off these French tips, and I'll come back here in a bit. Okay, here's how the nails look after I went ahead and cured that white for 60 seconds. And you can just leave the nails as is, like these two colors together are just so gorgeous. I absolutely love the pink and the white for French tips. But for today's video, I am going to go ahead and use the nail stickers that were included in the gift box set. And these rose stickers are so pretty. I could not wait to use them. So that's what I'm going to use today. And they are a little bit textured. They're more like on the thicker side. And they were really easy to take off the paper. Sometimes I struggle with the thin stickers, you know, nail art stickers that you get from other places, but these were really easy to peel off. And I did go ahead and use my tweezers, as you can see, just peeled them off that backing, and I'm just placing them in random areas of the nails. And these stickers, like, I don't know, I can't describe how realistic they look. They're so pretty. I was so excited to get these. I have seen other girls, you know, make their videos with the gift boxes, and they had different stickers. I've never seen these rose stickers before, so I was really excited that I was like one of the first ones to showcase these rose nail stickers. And I don't think you can, you know, pick and choose your stickers. They are just like a free gift that comes with your gift box. But you know, any of the stickers that do come in the kits, they are all so pretty. But I was just so excited to receive these ones specifically. So thank you again, MelodySusie. I truly appreciate this gift box set that you sent me. And I am just going to go ahead and place the rose stickers in random places all over the nails. So I'll go ahead and let you watch this process, and I'll come back here in a bit. how the nails look after I applied all the stickers. They just look so pretty. Oh my goodness, I'm absolutely in love with this nail design. So now that I'm finished, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my non-wipe top coat, and you can use any, glossy top coat. I'm just using this one from Nail Reserve LA, and I am gonna go ahead and apply that over all the nails to make sure that I seal in all the stickers, make sure that they don't lift or peel. And after I apply the top coat, I will go ahead and cure for 60 seconds in the nail lamp. And once I'm finished doing that, I will go ahead and file the free edge off camera to go ahead and crispen up that nail shape. And I do go ahead and use my 80/80 grit nail file to do that. And whenever I file the free edge, that does not cause the gel polish to peel. I've never had any problems with that. I just like to do that at the end because I just like the finished look. I don't cap the free edge. I don't like that look. That's just my preference. I mean, you can do that if you prefer, but I personally don't, and I've never had any problems. So I am going to go ahead and do that, finish applying the top coat, cure for 60 seconds, and then I'll go ahead and file the free edge, and I'll come back here in a minute. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm not going anywhere. I did want to just say that if you are still here, please leave a flower emoji in the comment section below. Please let me know that you've made it this far. I do appreciate all my subscribers for supporting my channel. I know it's been hard, not seeing any videos from me, and I do apologize. Me and my husband, and our family, we just been so busy. Like I said, this time of the year is just so busy for us, and I don't get to record videos as often as I would like. But don't worry, within the next couple of months, after time passes with everything that we're doing, I will get back into it. More videos will be coming up, and you will be able to see more content from me. And I do want to just give a big thank you to Miss Rivera. I will go ahead and tag her channel in the description box below. I do want to give a big thank you to you, girl, because if it wasn't for you, I would not be getting all this PR that I'm getting. You helped me out when I had my questions about PR, and I just appreciate your advice so much. So I do want to thank you. You helped me a lot, and look at where I'm at now. Like, I got so much PR I can't keep up with. So thank you so much for that. So I will go ahead and leave her channel tagged in the description box below. If you haven't subscribed to her channel, I suggest you do that. She's an amazing woman, and she does great videos. So as you can see, this is the nail design all finished. I absolutely loved it. Please pick up this MelodySusie Fleurwee gift box. The link is in the description box below. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for being here. Bye.